Think you need to spend hundreds of dollars to build a good PC game library? There are several official platforms where you can download and play PC games completely free. And I am not talking about unknown websites filled with suspicious ads or illegal downloads. These are trusted gaming platforms used by millions of players worldwide. Some offer thousands of free play to games, while others regularly give away premium games that you can keep forever. In this video, I will show you 8 websites where you can legally download free PC games, how to access them, and what makes each platform worth checking it. So let's get started. Before downloading free games, before jumping into the list, there is one important thing to understand. Free games usually come in different categories. Some games are completely free to play, free for a limited time, free to claim and keep permanently, free indie projects from developers. The platforms I am showing today are official stores and launchers, so you don't have to worry about downloading cracked files or unsafe software. Epic Game Store, best for free premium games. Let's start with one of the most exciting platforms for free games, the Epic Game Store. The reason many gamers keep Epic installed is because of its regular free game giveaways. Epic often offers paid games completely free for a limited time. The best part? Once you claim the game, it stays in your Epic library permanently. Over the years, Epic has given away many popular titles. Apart from giveaways, Epic also has popular free-to-play games like Fortnite, Rocket League, Fall Guys. To get started, open the Epic Games Store website, create a free account, download and install the Epic Games Launcher, head to the store, open the free games section, claim available games, install and play. If you want to build a gaming collection without spending money, Epic is one of the best places to start. Steam, the biggest PC gaming platform. Next is Steam. For most PC gamers, Steam is the first platform they install. Steam has one of the largest gaming libraries in the world and a huge number of games are available completely free. To find free games, download Steam client, create an account, go to the store section, then categories, select free to play. You will find games from almost every category: action, racing, strategy, survival, multiplayer, simulation. Some popular free games available on Steam include Counter-Strike 2, Marvel Rivals, Warframe, Dota 2, Warframe, Wuthering Waves, Destiny 2. Another advantage of Steam is that you get cloud saves, achievements, controller support, community features, and also workshop mods. So for PC gaming, Steam is almost a must-have. Microsoft Store, best for Windows users. Since we are talking about PC gaming, we cannot ignore Microsoft Store. It is already built into Windows, so you do not need another launcher. To find free games, open Microsoft Store from Windows search for free games, choose for free games, and choose the game. Click on the Get button and install the game. You can find games like Asphalt 8 Airborne, Sniper Furry, Asphalt Legends, Halo Infinite Multiplayer, Roblox, Microsoft Solitaire Collection, free casual games. Another benefit is its connection with Xbox services. You get features like Xbox achievements, cloud saves, cross-platform support. If you are using Windows 11, this is one of the easiest options. GOG, best for classic and DRM-free games. Now let's talk about GOG, also known as Good Old Games. This platform is different from traditional gaming stores. GOG focuses heavily on classic PC games and DRM-free gaming. That means some games can be installed and played without needing a launcher running in the background. To use GOG, visit the GOG website, create an account, and check the Show Only Free Games option. Browse free games and offers from all the sections provided. Download using the website installer or GOG Galaxy Launcher. It is especially popular among gamers who enjoy retro games, classic titles, older games optimized for modern PCs. If you love old school gaming, GOG is worth exploring. itch.io, based for indie games. If you want something different from mainstream games, check out itch.io. This platform is focused on independent developers. Because of that, you can discover thousands of unique games that you may not find anywhere else. You can find horror games, puzzle games, pixel games, experimental projects, and story-based games. To download games, open itch.io. Create an account if needed. Search free games. Now you will be redirected to the games page and you can download directly from there. Many developers release their games for free to build an audience. It is one of the best places to discover hidden gaming gems. EA App, free games from Electronic Arts. The next platform is the EA App. This is the official launcher from Electronic Arts. EA offers several free games and sometimes runs special events and trials. To access it, download EA App from the official EA website, create a new account, install the launcher. Browse available free games. Some popular free titles include Apex Legends, the Sims 4-based game. EA also provides features like friend list, achievements, cloud saves. If you enjoy EA franchises, keeping this launcher installed makes sense. Ubisoft Connect, free Ubisoft games and events. Ubisoft Connect is another official gaming platform. Ubisoft occasionally provides free weekends, trial events, promotions, free content. To use it, download Ubisoft Connect, create an Ubisoft account, open the launcher. Go to the games, then free game section and check for free games and promotions. For fans of games like Assassin's Creed, Far Cry and Rainbow Six, that platform is useful. Riot Games, best for competitive gaming. The final platform is Riot Games. Riot is known for competitive multiplayer games. Instead of a traditional store, Riot provides its own launcher. To get started, visit Riot Games website, create an account, download Riot Client, install your preferred game. Popular free games include Valorant, League of Legends, Teamfight Tactics. The best advantage of Riot Games is long-term support. These games regularly receive updates, new content, balance changes, competitive events. If you enjoy online multiplayer gaming, Riot is definitely worth checking out. So these are some of the best websites where you can legally download free PC games. Whether you enjoy competitive games, classic titles, indie experiences, premium games offered for free, there is something for everyone. The biggest advantage is that you are downloading games from official sources instead of risking your PC with unsafe websites. Now let me know in the comments which platform do you use the most. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Silicophilic for more tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.